Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We're just going for a bit of a walk now. I've done a few videos today. Should be up over the next few days. So we're just going to have a walk up here. Walking straight away from the beach now. And we're going to walk up to the top of the road, cross over, and then head back down towards where we live. I've been past here once today. There's a Japanese restaurant there. Boy, what was that? That hotel called, Marcus, that I couldn't see earlier? The Belroy Hotel. They got big letters just over the door. I was looking everywhere for it and I couldn't see. Things don't always go right when you're filming. And they've really shut the road off for us. Basically they're doing all the lights here. Down that road. What's that road called, Marcus?
This road?
Yeah.
Avenue to Mediterranean.
Is it? Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we only come off one, haven't we? There you go.
I think we're beginning to experience this sort of problems with being an outside.
You think he's having a bit of a go at me? Guys, I'm only 60, mate. The service group hotel over there, Quad.
It ain't a hotel, it's city well, it's just the office.
It's just the office, apparently. Service group office. It's 19 degrees over there. I don't know if you can see that, guys. Probably not because the trees in the way. 19 Celsius. 2:15. Been out for a couple of hours now. Filming. It's a lot better with this camera because I can get more films in. That's why I'm starting the membership channel up, because hopefully now I'll have a bit more time to concentrate on that. Get things done with it. Telly pizza there. Not allowed people sit there, but they can do takeaway still. So people are starting to adapt in space. Some of the cafe bars we've seen today are shut, but now they're just concentrating on takeaway food.
I swear I just saw our manager.
Manager?
Samuel.
Alright. The guy we used to film with when we do the filming. Don't look like that's going to start up again this year, Marcus.
I don't think so.
Supermarket there, guys. And the bike shop, I take that's a hire shop, is it? Yeah.
Right, no, I think it's an actual...
They're selling bikes, so...
shop.
You can imagine they're doing much trade at the moment. Kebab house, curry house over there. They're doing takeaway now. Our friends that run the bar, side bar, you've been watching my videos for a while, you've probably seen the adverts for them on there. They're starting up takeaway tomorrow. Got a couple of days off to think about it, I think. And they're going to start doing takeaway.
Bacon, saunas, chips, burgers.
Yeah.
Breakfast.
A lot of the guys have started doing the takeaway breakfast, but they're doing it in like pizza boxes. Now I didn't think that was a very good idea really, but I think that if they got proper takeaway trays, it probably would be better. You can get, from what we've seen advertised, you can get a breakfast for near enough your normal price. And the thing is, you've got to sit there and eat it. You've got to go away. Okay guys, there we wait across the road. We're just coming up to the end of the video anyway. So guys, I'm going to end the video here and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.